Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kori Burkholder, career coach, and I am a proud Gen Xer. And today I wanted to tackle the question, why are you working with millennials? And the simple answer is I feel like I should be a millennial because I share a lot of the same values as you do. The shared economy, remote work, freedom, flexibility, making an impact in other people's lives. And so I feel like I was a little bit ahead of the curve way back, when I was in my 30s. And I also remember struggling a little bit in my 30s. So I worked really hard to get stability. Um, because I had been working in a field that didn't offer that. It was in TV and movies. So it was really job to job. And I was looking for that stability at that time. But I also had a bigger vision of someday working for myself. So I had a lot of skills that I needed to develop before I actually made that leap. And so if freedom and flexibility is something that you're wanting, you really need to get clear on what that definition is for you. So is freedom and flexibility being able to work, the hours that you want to work? Is it more about financial stability? So really getting clear about what that definition is for you, right? So, um, and what it really boils down to is da 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 skills. Developing skills that are profitable and marketable, right? So here are 10 profitable skills that you have. I'm just going to list them off quickly, but just count how many that you might have as I read them off. Digital marketing, coding and AI, graphic design, content creation, copywriting, sales and negotiation, financial management, project management, data analysis, social media management, and public speaking. So thinking about how many of those skills that you have, and if you have those, you might be able to create a career that has more freedom and flexibility. So maybe it's going off on your own, or maybe it's creating, having a conversation with your current company to see if maybe you can create that there. You never know if you don't ask, right? But if you don't have any of these skills, um, do a skills assessment. Write down your top 5 skills and see what would be a possibility for you to go freelance or to be a consultant, or go part-time. Maybe you have a really profitable skill where you can really maximize that so you can work part-time. The other thing is, like, if you don't have any of these skills or you don't have profitable skills, are you willing to invest the time, energy, and finances to develop them? Because that's really what it takes. And it's not going to be handed to you on a silver platter. It's going to take a lot of hard work and dedication. You talk to anybody who's created that for themselves, they didn't get there overnight. And I just want to be real with you, because I talk to a lot of people that want this. I want freedom, I want flexibility, and I want to be able to work my own hours. Sometimes that just doesn't come. You've got to develop it. So I'm giving you some tough love here. So what's next here is it's time to think differently, and it's time to challenge yourself about what that actually means to you and create those actionable steps that's going to get you there. Right? So I'm going to challenge you to do that. And once you've done that, make a comment below and tell me what you're going to pursue next so we can create some accountability for you. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button, share it with your friends if you think that this would be helpful. And if you need support, identifying the profitable skills that might give you more freedom and flexibility, I'm going to offer you a free 15-minute phone call, and I'm going to post that link below this video. And I look forward to connecting with you, and I will see you in the next video.